Fair Data Society, besides guidance on principles, also provides tooling to facilitate a transition to a fairer data society. And Swarm has supported development of a storage layer on top of Swarm that provides additional features. The state of development should be considered experimental, but the aim is to provide a sandbox for discovering what features and functionalities are needed in the future and get a head start on the emerging fair data economy. Then the tooling includes FairOS DFS, a distributed file system on top of Swarm. And so FairOS DFS connects to a B node, but exposes its own API, allowing to work with files, key value stores, and a document store. These features should allow for experimenting with a lot of use cases and testing out ideas. The following demo will demonstrate how two users of FairOS on different computers can work with the same data, showing Swarm as the underlying storage, using Swarm as the underlying storage on the case of a key value store. So please, if we can play the demo.
Welcome to a short demo of a key value store over Swarm. This is the diagram of the setup. We have two B here, which are connected together inside here. And there is one FairOS DFS connected to the first B, second FairOS DFS connected to the second B. And since these FairOS DFS expose an HTTP server, I have two different HTTP clients which speak with each of them. So the idea is to create something in this client and see that it is visible here, and do something at this client and see that it is visible here. Since all the data is stored in the decentralized fashion in the B, the data should be updated and visible in both the places. Let's go into the demo. So the top three terminals represent the three things that I explained in the top. The bottom three terminals explains the bottom three things. So let us start B first. The first B and the second B, they should just join together and form a network. Let's give some few seconds. Yes, they have. And let's go to the FairOS DFS. This is connecting to the 8080, which is the first B. This is connecting to the second B, which is 8081. This is the second B. Remember that the first FairOS DFS is listening on port 9090. The second one is listening on port 9091 for the clients. So let's start the client in 1990. Let's start another client in 1991, so that these are two different stuff. Now I have a user here already and exported the user. The user is called user1. Let's log into the user. It has a pod called pod1. Let's open the pod. Pod1. Let's do the same here. User login user1. Let's open the pod. Yeah, it is opened. Now let's do something. So all the key value store starts with the key command. Key ls. There is no key value store right now. Key new. Table 1, let's create a table. So let's see that the table is here, and let's see if the table is here. Yes, it is reflected here also. So let's open the table 1, and let's insert some data inside this. I use put get like commands to insert and get out of the KV table. You can see the help to see more commands. KV put in table 1. This is the key 1 and this is the value. Let's add few more key values to key 2 and value 2, key 3 and value 3. Right now let's see if the same is visible here. Let's open the table 1. Let's get table 1 key 1. Let's see. Oh, okay, it's giving the value 1. Key 3, value 3. Let's update the value of key3 in updated value 3, right? So let's see if we get kv get table 1. Let's see whether it shows the updated value. Yes. Thank you for the demo.
So that was a demo of FairOS, and actually it was a nice segue into the next demo that we will go into.